Hello everyone. In this project, I implemented matrix multiplication using CUDA C++. The goal is to compare CPU and GPU performance. Matrix multiplication is widely used in machine learning, graphics, and scientific computing. And in this video, I will explain the code, run the program and analyze the results. Code explanation matrix mul point su. Now I open matrix mul point su file. In this program I used CUDA kernel function with global CUDA malloc to allocate GPU memory, CUDA mem SPU to transfer data, parallel trees to compute matrix elements. Each GPU thread calculates one element of the result matrix. This allows many operations to run at the same time. Before running the program, we expect the GPU to slower because it works sequentially. In this code, yes. After running commentary, as we can see, the GPU time is much lower than the SPU time. This shows the power of parallel computing. And the GPU uses thousands of threads while the SPU uses only 5 cores. That is why the speed up is very high in closing. It is step 1. Yes. Step 1. Yes, step 1. This wave CUDA installation. This command wave that the CUDA toolkit is correctly installed. It displays the MVCC compiler version and CUDA release information. And the step 2. Yes. Step 2 wave GPU and driver. This command check whether the NVDI GPU is detected by the system. It displays GPU model, drive version, CUDA version, and memory status. And step 3. Yes. Yes. Navigation to project director. This command changes the working director to the location where the CUDA source file matrix mul point su is stored. The compiler must execute in the correct folder. In the step 4. Yes. Step 4. Confirm source file exists. This command lists all files in the current director, it confirms that the matrix move .su file is present before compilation. And the step 5. Yes. Step 5. Compile to the program. This command compiles the CUDA source file using the MVCC compiler. The architecture in Flock SM89 targets the RTX 4050 GPU. And the step 6. Yes. Step 6. Excite the program. This command runs the compiled program. It performs matrix multiplication on both CPU and GPU, then displays execution times and performance speed up. And step 5. 7. Step 7. Yes. Optional GPU status change. This confirms GPU activity after execution. It can show memory idle and GPU utilization during computation. In this experiment proves that CUDA can greatly improve performance. GPU computing is very effective for large numerical problems. Thank you for watching.